Your body is a cheater. Every push-up you do, it's lying to your face. Looking like effort, feeling like work, doing half the job. That's why your reps pile up and your chest stays flat. Why your shoulders ache for nothing. Why the strongest version of you never shows up. It's not your effort. It's 5 shortcuts your body steals on every single rep. Today, we catch all 5 and shut them down. Let's go. Why does it get away with it? Because the push-up has no witnesses. No bar loaded with plates. No number on a screen. No spotter watching. Just you and the floor. Every other lift forces honesty. The push-up runs on the honor system, and your body's been breaking it for years. Strip the shortcuts out, and this becomes the hardest thing you can do with nothing but the ground. Shortcut 1 is bleeding your shoulders dry. Start there. Drop down, and your body does this on its own. It throws your elbows out wide, away from your sides, because wide feels strong. First lie. Flared like that, your shoulder sits in its worst angle. The joint grinds into itself every rep, and the tissue up front slowly wears down. No warning, just an ache that shows up one day and stays. The fix is free. Pull your elbows in toward your ribs, around 45 degrees, tracking back instead of out. And you're stronger this way. Safer and stronger, same move. That's 1. Cheat 2 is why your chest hasn't changed in a year. This one's invisible, so it's been robbing you the longest. Watch most people press. Arms move, body rises, but the shoulder blades sit there dead. Your chest only finishes its job when those blades are free to slide around your ribs. Lock them, and the muscle never hits a full squeeze. So every rep quits one step before the payoff. Fix it at the top. Once your arms lock out, keep pushing. Drive the floor away. Let your blades spread and your upper back round slightly. That last inch is the whole point. That's 2. The next one isn't about your arms at all. Here your body gets lazy somewhere you'd never look. Set up, lose focus, and your hips sink. Your low back caves. Your middle hangs off your shoulders and toes. Feels like holding a position. It's leaking. Every bit of force you press into the floor travels through your body first, and a soft middle dumps most of it before it does anything. The fix happens before you lower. Squeeze your glutes, pull your ribs down, brace like someone's about to drop a weight on your stomach. 1 stiff line, head to heels. The push-up was never an arm move. It's your whole body holding rank. That's 3. The last 2 are where your body cheats hardest. This is the cheat people brag about. I can do 50. Watch them. Every rep's a blur, dropping down and bouncing off the bottom like a basketball. That's not strength, that's physics doing the lift. Gravity pulls you down for free, the bounce throws you up for free, and your muscles barely clock in. That's how someone pumps out huge numbers and looks exactly the same. Your chest doesn't count reps, it counts time under real tension. So kill the free ride. 2-3 seconds down, a dead pause at the bottom, then drive up under control. 5 of those beat 50 of the other. 1 cheat left, and it's quietly wrecking your shoulders right now. This is the worst one, because you can't feel it happening. At the bottom, your body panics and bails out of the hardest spot. Your shoulders roll forward past your hands, the blades wing off your back, and the whole load drops onto a joint that was never built to hold it there. No pain, no warning. Just a slow grind, rep after rep, until one day, your shoulder simply stops cooperating. The fix flips it. At the bottom, pull your shoulder blades down and back, like you're tucking them into your pockets. Chest open, shoulders stacked behind your hands, not collapsed in front of them. Now the joint is protected, and your chest loads from a deeper stretch. More growth, less damage. That's the one that matters most. So here's the whole rep, top to bottom. Hands just outside your shoulders, elbows tucked toward your ribs. Glutes tight, core braced, 1 stiff line. Lower slow, 2-3 seconds. Blades pulling back, chest an inch off the floor. Pause, drive up, push the floor away. Let your blades spread at the top. That's 1 honest rep. If you can only do 5 like that, perfect. 5 real ones beat 30 fakes every time. That's how you keep growing. Drop a comment telling me which cheat your body's been running the longest. I read them. If this fixed even 1 rep, hit like and subscribe so the next one finds you. Now go catch your body in the act.